My name is Thomas Andrews. I'm the founder and creator of T3 Power Ready. T3 stands for Train, Track, and Transform. Train begins with the T3 Power Ready duffel bag. There are so many movements one can do with the T3 bag. You can do squats, you can do deadlifts, you can do curls, you can do shoulder presses. Just whatever else you do in the gym, you can do with this T3 bag at home, at your office, or at the park. I designed a T3 bag as a lifestyle bag, a multifunctional bag that you can take anywhere and everywhere. You can use it as a carry-all or a backpack, putting everything you need in it for your work day or a trip to the beach. Once you reach your destination, take out your stuff, fill up the bladder, and turn it into an amazing training tool. The T3 bag is safe for all ages. If you're new to training as a young child, it's great and safe for you. And if you're a senior and you want to continue to be strong, you can use this bag as well. The second pillar in T3 is track. We began by establishing a baseline. Where's your body composition? Secondly, we use a mobile app to gather data about your heart rate. What is your heart telling you with resistance training? And number three, we're tracking your nutrition, your macronutrients, your proteins, your carbs, your fats. If we train and we track, transformation just happens. But a part of the transformation I think is really important is making it sustainable. People say they ain't got enough time, but you do have time. You wake up in the morning, you got 4 minutes, do some deadlifts, do some squats, then go about your day. My entire life I've trained playing football, basketball, all sorts of sports. I got my first weightlifting set when I was 16. It's been my journey, it's been my passion. My inspiration for creating T3 Power Ready came from living in this beautiful paradise, Bali, Indonesia. And while there, I noticed there was a lot of fast food restaurants, but they didn't have a lot of access to gyms. So I'm thinking, let's let the earth be our gym. From there came the concept of T3 Power Ready. My mother had a saying when I was younger that said, Tommy, if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. I can stay ready with this bag sitting right here on my side. I always got time to train with this. I am so excited to offer you this game-changing product, and I can't wait to see how it transforms your life.